So today we are going to discuss about finding mean, median, and mode in Python. Okay, and I have a data set here, and in this data set you can find that there are multiple variables. What are the variables that are present in this data? We have variables of gender, education level, region, income, and expenditure. And I want to calculate the mean of income, mean of expenditure in Python. So basically we are going to Python, and I am opening a new notebook because here we are already doing this. So let me just open a new notebook. So find the mean or median or mode, at first you have to import the data in Python. So to import the data in Python, we must require that the data should be loaded. How to upload the data in Python? You will find this option in the home tab, where you will basically find that just let the home tab be uploaded. Yeah. In the home tab, you will find the option of upload, and from here you can upload the data. And after uploading the data, you must know the name of the data. Here in our case, the name of the data set is P3. Okay, so this is the data set p3.xlsx. I have already shown you the data how it looks. Now I am going to Jupyter Notebook. So to execute any type of code, at first we have to load the data. To load the data, I require the help of the libraries called pandas. So I will import the libraries pandas as pd, and now I will load this Excel file, which is my dataset, by the help of pd.readexcel. Here what is pd? Pd is the nickname or alias that is provided to pandas. I will write pd.readexcel, and within a first bracket I will basically provide the name of the dataset, that is p3.xlsx, and I will and I will close the first bracket. And if I want my entire data p3 to be stored into a very small or beautiful name, I want to store it into a name, I can give a name to it, that is Dipto equals to. So whenever I am giving Dipto equals to, this entire data of Excel p3 is basically now stored in Dipto. Okay. So now I will run the code, and now if I want to see the first 5 rows of my data, I will just give Dipto.head, and I will run the code. As you can see, the first 5 rows of the data is now, oh sorry, head is not in, head is supposed to be in small letters, not caps. Yeah, now entire first 5 rows of my data is now visible. Now to find out the mean, the code is very simple. What is the code? You have to provide the dataset name. What you have to provide, I am just showing you. You have to provide the dataset name, and within a third bracket you have to provide the variable name. You have to provide what? You have to provide the variable name or the column name. Variable name or the column name. You can provide it within a third bracket and within a double quote, or in a single quote also. Then you have to give the operation. The operation can be mean, or can be mode, or median, or it can be variance or standard deviation as well. After writing the name of the operation, you have to give a first bracket opened and closed. Now what is the name of our dataset? Our dataset is stored in Dipto, so I will give Dipto. Then within the third bracket we have to give the variable name. We can find out the mean of income or of expenditure as well, as both of those are numeric. So I will be finding mean of income, so I will give the variable name, that is income, and then I will close the third bracket dot. What is the operation that we are going to do? We are going to find out mean, so the operation is mean, and after mean I have to open a first bracket and close the first bracket. Now if I execute this, you can find that the mean income is now calculated. This first line was basically a demonstration of how to write the code. It is not the code. The code is this, the second line. Okay. So in this way you can find out the mean. The mean income is 13,214. In the same way, if you want to calculate the median, you can do the same. Just in the place of operation, you have to write median. If you do execute, this is the median value. If you want to do the same for the mode, you have to just write mode. But in case of mode, if you want to find out a unique mode, you have to just add one extra element, that is within a third bracket you have to give a 0 at the end. If you execute it, you will also find out the mode, that is 5843. In this way you can calculate mean, median and mode in the Python programming language. And at first you have to provide the dataset name, then the variable name or column name of the data, and then the operation. Okay, thank you.